any advice for everyone here watching us now, our friends in the media, people taking videos, they'll be posting this as well. What is your advice that helped you stay the course in your fitness journeys?
Sana, I think it's really just enough of that hiding, enough of those promises that, oh, next year we start doing it. Kumbaga now, parang ngayon, sinasabi it's na pa-Christmas na. Sasabihin na naman natin, alis, palalagpas ito ng Christmas, January I'll start again, di ba? No, just do it now. Start now.
Yeah, why wait?
Tama na yung Christmas, bibigay mo na naman lahat. It's a lifestyle really. It's a really change of lifestyle. And I'm happy that my wife also was very supportive. And siya yung gentle reminder ko always na talagang pag medyo nagkaroon ako ng eating disorder for a while now. Talagang binge ako, talagang binge. So minsan hanggang ngayon lumalabas pa rin nun. And she would stop me. Sinasabi na tama na yan, diba? Parang alam mo na yung pinanggalingan mo. Huwag ka na bumalik din doon. Ang sinasabi ko naman, nakita mo naman ako naman, diba? Nung tayo yung mga bata pa. Pag nakita mo ulit siya, delikado tayo. Sabi ko, siguro yung mga asawa namin, sabi namin, gusto nyo ba talaga gumanda yung katawan namin?
Alam mo, yun yung sinabi ko kay Lucy. Alam mo, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo Lucy, ang problema na ito. Pag nakikita mo, gumanda na ng katawan ka. Mamaya, baka naman may lalapit siya, baka siya selos ka. Baka naman magkakagulo mamaya dyan.
Diba? Tingin mo ka naman.
I'm thinking about your mental health. Hindi ka na pahirapan.
Tama yun, gano'n.
I love it. So very sensitive to the feelings of your families. That's beautiful. And we will get to know our ambassadors a little bit more later. So I urge you all to start thinking of your questions for our question and answer portion. Yes, we do. Hindi pa tapos. Because we have another segment right now. We're playing another game. But this time, it is for our ambassadors, and it is this or that.
Okay.
Yes. We will be showing categories right here, and I'll be asking you guys just which one you prefer.
Alright.
Very simple, just to get to know you. And we will start with you, Richard.
Okay. This or that?
The category is snacks.
Sarap.
Category is snacks. Here we go. Apples or oranges?
Oranges.
Or wine?
Why I love oranges? I'm oranges.
Okay. Overnight oats or cooked oats?
Overnight oats.
Same!
Like it?
Yes! It's the best!
Soaked in milk.
Yes, me too. Me
Gusto
too.
yung goma. Para kayo compatible pa.
Alam mo naman. Hey! Yan ang sinasabi ko.
Yan ang sinasabi ko! Yan ang sinasabi ko!
Mainit na ho. Yan ang sinasabi ko eh. Kayo talaga ho. Tapos, hirap lang.
Hard-boiled egg or egg sandwich?
Okay, let's talk about eggs. Hard-boiled.
Hard-boiled because...
Because it's hard.
Because it's hard. That's a great answer. Round of applause, everyone!
Kinakatsama ko lang kayo.
Guys, sa'yo na po ito. For the next same category for you, we have the different choices.
Ano tingin mo sa akin ha?
Yogurt or smoothie? Yogurt or smoothie?
Yogurt.
Yogurt. Crackers or bread?
Crackers or bread? Bread.
Toasted?
Toasted.
With butter?
Lahat na.
Oh, yes.
Lots of butter.
Lots of butter. And century tuna on top. Oh, with
Century
cheese.
rice na yan.
Yes. What about dark chocolate cake or carrot cake?
Carrot cake.
Oh my gosh, me too.
Oh my God! Sino ba sa kumpate mo? Tayo na tayo ko. Ano? Ano talaga?
Alam mo, bumabaki na kayo.
would you prefer basketball or football?
Basketball.
Bagay sa height.
Basketball, yeah.
Yes. Rowing or fencing?
I love fencing.
Fencing.
I've been a national athlete for 7 years.
Right.
Yeah.
I'll ask you a little bit more about that later during the Q&A.
Yeah.
And we'll get to Aga next. What are your preferences in sports? We have running or cycling?
Cycling.
Cycling. Golf or swimming?
Golf.
Oh, really?
Again?
No, I was gonna say I swim.
Golf and cycling.
Our next category is fruits. So, going back to you, Richard. Banana or mango?
Banana.
Bananas.
Yeah.
Shake.
Banana shake.
Yes.
With
More
peanut butter.
Yes.
More calories.
Yes.
Stop it.
More the better. How about rambutan or lanzon?
I love rambutan.
Me
I
too.
love it.
Me too. Very good. Very good for the summer. And
Pero yung shooting namin, ng core shoot namin, may sino ba ng Solis? Parang isang sako yung inubos mo ng Solis. Sabi ko, huy, nag-shoot tayo? Kaya mo na. Bukas pa kayo, epekto nito. Sabi ko ako, bukas pa kayo, epekto nito. Oo nga, nakikaya pa rin ako.
okay lang, fruits naman.
Isa sako eh.
What about kiwi or avocado for you?
Avocado.
Avocado. Yes, agree. Watermelon or melon?
Watermelon.
Perfect for the summer then.
Watermelon.
Watermelon. I
Sa
love
kanin sa
that.
babalan. Yes.
Agree. Wait, very disciplined. Good
Diba?
job.
Pag-aralan mo na yun, at the end of the day, they're all healthy, but you really need to calorie count for that.
That's true. And I think we have our final category. We have drinks. Drinks naman. Water or orange juice?
Water.
Water. Wine or champagne?
I go for the cat.
Ayun! That's a good choice. Wine is good too, yes. Soda or milk tea?
Minty.
Milk tea. Apple juice or pineapple juice?
Pineapple juice.
Very good.
Yeah.
Very good. And for you, Aga, we have jasmine tea or green tea?
Green tea.
Green tea. And you have
Coffee.
Yes. Oh, speaking of, iced or hot coffee?
Hot coffee.
Iced.
Ikaw?
Yes.
Lumalayo na tayo.
Matcha or prune juice?
Matcha.
Matcha. Fruit shake or sparkling water?
Sparkling wine.
Parang fruit shake.
Machine.
Oo, kasi pagka sparkling wine, no, red wine na talaga ako.
Sige, fruit shake na may sparkling wine.
Ayun.
Sama mo na.
Sparkling shake. That's
Sparkling
right.
shake. Sparkling shake.
May nasa mo pala, last category. We have under the sea. So anything under the sea.
Area.
Ariel, that's your choice. Okay, agree. Mackerel or sardines?
Ano?
Mackerel or sardines?
Mackerel.
Mackerel. Bangus or tilapia?
Bangus.
Bangus. Lapu-lapu or maya-maya?
Maya-maya.
Ah.
Maya-maya.
And now, century tuna hot and spicy or flakes in oil? Hot
And spicy.
and spicy. Hot and spicy.
You like that also?
I do.
You like it also?
I do. And if you eat spicy stuff, it's better for the metabolism.
Really?
Apparently.
Let's eat more of that.
Let's eat more spicy stuff.
Yes.
Oh, next one.
Congressman. Ano ba?
Spicy. Napawisan na rin ako.
Narinig niya yung congressman. Dahil na lang. Kasi kagawa.
Bangus belly or bangus fillet?
Most very.
Bangus belly. Agreed. Galunggong or hasa-hasa?
Galunggong.
Yes, fried, no?
Galunggong mo. Tsaka yung, meron pa isang galunggong masarap, yun sa palayo. Kasi, tulingan niya tayo.
Kasi, papa.
Tuloy na. Di ba ako tuloy yung galugong?
Ito na naman ito.
Iba nga.
Ano na naman iyan?
Balik nga ako. Sorry ako.
Pero ano, baka paksiw ng pagganito.
Paksiw. Paksiw.
Masarap yun.
Grocery.
Mga film, di ba?
Yeah.
Sushi or sashimi?
Sashimi. Sushi rin, minsan. Kasi tamay kanin na.
Meal na siya, meal.
Yeah.
And finally, Century Tuna's flakes in oil or with calamansi?
Parang paano sa pareho ano yan? So I'll do flakes in oil. Tapos ako naman talaga. But flakes in oil, yung calamansi is okay. But sa plate kasi akin ang calamansi. Pwede ilagay ng konti ng
Di ba?
Marami na magagawa.
Truly, truly versatile. Well, thank you so much, Richard and
Thank you.
Aga.
Thank you.
So, round of applause. It's true that food is always a fun topic, and it's something that you can, have fun with when you are on your health journey, and it won't be so bad. Diba? Congratulations.
Sana po sa nasabi namin nakatulong po sa pagpapapayat mo rin yung wala.
Yes.
Wala pa sa nasa stage.
No.
Oh,
It
yeah.
makes sense. So,